Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to mute a participant during your meeting in Google Meet. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Google Meet website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you can see at the left side of the screen you have the options to either create a new meeting, as you can see by clicking this button right here, or joining a different meeting by entering a code or link that the other person has sent you. So if you want to join a different meeting, just go ahead and enter the code or link here and click the join button that will appear, and then you will successfully join their meeting. But for today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and create my own meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and click the blue button right here, and here you can see you can either create a meeting for later or schedule one in Google Calendar and so on. What I'm going to be doing guys is go ahead and start an instant meeting. So guys, go ahead and click this option right here if you want to start a meeting, and as you can see here guys, now this opens up this new page where I can see how my meeting looks. And at the lower bottom screen guys, you can see all the options that I have for managing my meeting that I can be using. So guys, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the participants tab so we can see everybody who is in the meeting. And you can do that guys by going to the lower right corner right here and clicking this option right here that says show everyone. After clicking this option guys, now here in this tab that appears, you'll be able to see everybody that is in the meeting. So you will be able to see every person that is here. As you can see here guys, the meeting is empty. I am the only person that is in here, but this will work the same for them. So guys, let's say that there is a person under me that I want to mute. All you have to do guys is go ahead and click these three dots right here that appear next to their name. As you can see, I have three dots next to my name. You want to go ahead and click that right there, and then multiple options will appear and one of them will be mute. So what you can do guys is go ahead and click the mute option on them, and then you will successfully mute the person and they will not be able to talk in the meeting. So yeah, if you want to unmute them, just click the same option again and click unmute, and then you will successfully unmute them. But yeah guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.